Well, this YouTube clip will discuss steps to create a website and return well. Before I get there, I have a burning question that I have always asked myself. Do you value other people's opinion more than your own? There came a time when I limited myself to achieving a particular goal because someone told me it wasn't possible. How many times did you limit yourself because someone said you couldn't achieve or succeed at it? And how many times did you accept that you couldn't? I have been here before. I did things wrong for a long time. I sold a low-ticket ClickBank product and I earned a small amount of money, about $40 in 1 year, but I spent hundreds of dollars on paid advertising. I had failed over and over and was ready to throw in the towel when I met my sponsor, who showed me what I had been doing wrong and how it was done. I was made to understand that selling low-priced ClickBank products would only bring in a lower profit compared to high-ticket products. She showed me what systems were working well for her and recommended me to try it out. Thanks to that recommendation, I gained access to genuine training in affiliate marketing. It is unlike anything else I have found online in terms of clarity and packed with high impact values. If you are interested in knowing what system I use and where to get access to this fantastic digital training, then I will explain more at the end of the video. But now it is your turn, Jeff.
Thank you, Anders. So you're interested in finding out how to build a website. You must utilize the same of the following techniques for both your aim, whether it be a business or a pastime you want to share with others around the world. Websites and concepts. Thinking about the primary purpose for using a website in your brain is the first step in constructing a website. The reason you are reading this right now is because you must already be considering starting because an existing idea. You can use this to determine how many pages you'll need. The typical structure of a website includes a home page, a About Us page, a contact page, and any number of key content pages you deem necessary to effectively convey your message. Select a tool for development and design. Consider how you would build a website as the second requirement for website creation processes. Today, there are various programs available, like WordPress, which is perhaps the most well-known, and website builders. For non-technical developers, this is a terrific place to start. They are customizable and appear to have been built by skilled developers. Really, it's impossible to tell the difference. Another option is Wix, which functions similarly but charges a monthly fee to use and maintain. If you are an experienced developer, you would use an editor like Adobe Dreamweaver, Mix.html, JavaScript, and possibly PHP, which is run on the server end. If you wish to create a complicated website or an e-commerce site, you can utilize this to connect up to a database or shopping cart. Choosing a domain name. Choosing a domain name for your website or blog is the third of the 6 steps to building a website. This is the web address, also known as the URL name, that is used to give your website a name that begins with the 3 W's. Just imagine this as a company name. Layout and color. The layout and color of a website are the next 2 crucial aspects to think about. These are crucial because style tries to make your website's navigation simple and user-friendly, and color helps communicate to you and your visitors what your product or service is about. Its features are what make it what it is. Normally, you would already have a plan in mind. Try experimenting with colors if not. Knowing this is crucial before making the huge effort to build a website. A service that is edible or sweet is lighter in color, like pink or red, whereas technology services typically lean more towards dark hues. Landscape services fall somewhere in the middle, like brown and green. All I can do is hope that this helps you decide what to pursue. Content. The king of content. Think about the written text, visuals, or video content on your website. Written content is excellent for SEO, a technique employed by search engines to properly rank your site. On the other hand, pictures and particularly videos may say 1,000 words. Because of their strength, they can completely pre-sell customers on your product or service far more easily than earlier techniques. Host a website. In order to rent the platform, storage, and accessibility for your website and its accompanying data and tools safely, you must select a provider for web hosting, based on the approach you used to establish your website. Many hosting companies offer complimentary email addresses as well as additional tools or other rewards for doing this. That is essentially the last step in the process of building a website. For web hosting, I suggested Bluehost and DomainRaiser, both of which are excellent for websites developed using WordPress. I hope the instructions for building a website were useful and made the process easier for you. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Hey Jeff, I love the video. Thanks for sharing. You are most likely here because you want to make money online, and you may not have started your online business yet, or you may just be starting it. If so, then there is something important I want to tell you that I failed to understand, and I believe a lot of people don't understand this. So listen closely. After choosing to join up for any chance, never try to hustle your way to success, because it takes time to establish your brand and social media presence. It is very easy to make bad decisions along the way. In my case, I invested time and money in the things that I didn't need. I wouldn't need a sales funnel until much later in my business. But I still don't need paid ads like Bing ads, Facebook ads, and Solo ads. I don't use any type of paid advertising in my business, and it is very risky to experiment with it. It is crucial to comprehend this, and nobody ever teaches you this. Everyone makes recommendations for all aspects of web marketing in order to satisfy everyone at every level of business. This could be another trick to get people to buy things they don't need. Be wise in all that you do. However, after I tell you this, you can be smarter about what content you want to dive into. I always recommend that beginners get thorough training from a trusted source. I know a place where you can get all the instructions that you require in order to learn how to do that, and I can show you how to get there. There you will also get the program that will allow you to quit your job and live a freedom-based lifestyle. I will leave a link in the description that will take you to my landing page. There you will see a red button that you can click if you are not interested in watching my free video training. That will take you to the system I use to make money online, and all you have to do is follow the instructions. Why not click like if you learned something useful? This will absolutely help my YouTube channel. I would love your help and support. You can see more videos like the one you just watched by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. That is pretty much it. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.